What's up everybody? Huddy back with you. In today's video we're going to talk about reestablishing credit. In my last video I talked about pay history and how that accounts for 35% of your FICO credit score. Most clients, that's where they lack, is they don't have credit reestablished. And it's not to any fault of their own. A lot of times people have tried to reestablish, but they strike out and they're not sure where to go. 3 companies that I send everyone to when they need to reestablish: Capital One Bank, First Progress, and Open Sky. Those are 3 credit card companies that have a secured credit card, but that report unsecured, or at least they omit the fact that it is indeed a secured credit card. In my 20 years of being in credit and mortgages, I've found that when a credit card reports unsecured, it builds credit faster than an account that doesn't in fact state that it is secured. So again, we go to Capital One, First Progress, and Open Sky. The big thing about secured credit cards is to really make sure that you understand that they are secured. This is not prepaid. So that means if you stop making your payments, they will report you late. So they can report you 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days. That cash that you gave them up front, that's simply collateral in case you default. And we don't want to do that. That defeats the whole purpose. The other question that I get often is, well, how much should I get? Should I give them $500 or should I give them $1,000? My thing with that is, at the beginning, when you're trying to rebuild, if it's a couple $100, that's just fine. We just want to get pay history going. So when you get that credit card, I want you to activate it right away, make a charge right away, and then try to make a payment 2 to 3 days after the fact. I mean, it's just a tank of gas, maybe a few groceries, something you would pay cash for, and make a payment right away. Do that for the first 3 months so that pay history can start building. The reason why we want to pay it sooner rather than later, if you think about it, you get that card, you activate it, you make a charge. It doesn't show up, or the bill doesn't show up for the next month, so then you pay it, and then the following month, it reports. So you lose a lot of time in reporting if you kind of sit back and wait. So the goal is, get the card, Capital One, First Progress, Open Sky, get one of those, maybe get 2, get them in, get a charge on them, start making payments, get going, and reestablish that credit. If you like what you saw, please like my page or subscribe to my page. If you have comments, feedback, I appreciate that. You can leave it down below. In my next video, I'm going to talk more about collections and to pay or not to pay. Look forward to seeing you then.